What's good, YouTube? Mr. Story here, bringing you a pack opening. We got, man, it's late at night, so sorry for that. Man. Ooh, yeah, that's a good one. First pack, Phonix Phoenix, Trigonal Phoenix, Kishki Revealer, Vylon, Gem Knight, Obsidian. So yeah, it's a good card. Good first pack. Second pack. Oh, Gem Knight Pearl. Ooh. That's good. So, just go down here. Make my money back, I guess. So, 2 good exceeds. For supers, we have Prime Fusion, Tenacity, crap, I guess. So, yeah. And final pack. I'm gonna try to put the secret. On the back. Put the secret on the back. Okay, so we got a Vylon Spear, Gishki Hotel, another Vylon Spear, and oh, and a cannon. So yeah, pretty sure I made my money back. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And so it's Mr. Destroyer saying peace out.